What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos, a mobile detail in Dallas, Texas. We are in Prosper, Texas today. We are taking care of this beautiful jet ski. I'm actually here at Jetaway Rentals. And I'll be posting a link down below for those who live in Dallas or surrounding areas and you're looking for a rental company or a jet ski rental company that can rent you out some jet skis. The good weather is coming, and it's been a pleasure, obviously, working with my good friend David. He's been a blessing to my family when we've rented out from him. This rental company is you pick the jet ski up, whether one or two, and you take it and you got to bring it. So it's one of those rentals where they don't take it to you, but you have to pick up and drop off. So I do like that. But of course you get those that be like, can you drop it off? No, they don't do that here. It's a pick up and drop off location. But Jetaway Rentals, they have a huge selection of obviously jet skis you can rent. But today we're working on this one. We are just doing just a maintenance on it. And this is going to be for those who have never maybe worked on a jet ski. If you've never, it's not difficult. Anybody can do this, but for those who are in the detailing business and maybe you've never had somebody inbox you and tell you like, hey, wash my jet ski, right? If that's the case, hopefully this video kind of helps you. The products that we're going to be using today, or we used, right now I'm literally to the polishing stage, but to be honest, the products used was, we used a rinseless solution, right? We use a rinseless solution all on the jet ski. We're using the Drive Auto Appearance rinseless solution. And I'm using a Griot's clay pad, just like this. And then all you do, guys, is just spray. Spray your solution, obviously wipe it off, and then I resprayed. And then now we're to the cleaning stage, right? If you're working on a vehicle that has a lot of water spots, you can find this locally. I've seen it at Walmart. It's called the Hot Sauce. It's the ultimate water spot and high gloss sealant. This one here, literally after you rinse this, if you want, you wipe it off, you come back, you want to spray this all on the material, and then just rinse the solution again, if you don't have a pressure washer. But if you have a pressure washer, spray your solution and rinse it off completely. Others love to use like do an acid bath for water spotting. That helps as well. But this is more made for marina vehicles. So it didn't have a lot of water spots on this one. So we just did like a light spray of this, and then rinse this, wipe it off, and that's it. Now we're literally to the correction stage, just to give it a nice gloss and protection at the end. For this scenario, guys, I'm using a 3-inch polisher. I'm using Old Faithful. We're using a Chicago Electric on a 3-inch pad. For this scenario, I'm using a Lake Country HDO pad, their heavy cut foam pad, and I'm pairing it with P601 just to clean up the paint. It had a lot of, it seemed like overspray from here, so that's what we did, and we just literally clayed everything off. Now we are polishing it off. And the color, we're getting that nice glossy white. So that's what we're doing right now. But this video was more for those who have maybe never worked on a jet ski. It's really simple to do, nothing crazy. And this is a good, even if you have a jet ski, this is the perfect, primitive maintenance that you could do to your jet ski after every season. Once you're done, right, you can put it up, wash it, give it a nice water spot, decontamination, and all of that, and just give it a light polish if you want, and it's ready for the next season. Obviously at this point I'm getting the jet skis ready for his season to start again. A lot of people rent from him, so he stays busy, but we are literally just giving these things a nice gloss, getting them ready for when they get rented out. I think this has been probably the best jet ski rental company I have seen in Dallas. Why? Because they are serviced, they are maintained. He takes care of his jet skis, literally. And that's the beauty of renting from somebody reputable, somebody who cares about their business. And, obviously, the jet skis have never, I've never had an issue with them, never malfunctioned while I'm out there in the waters. So it's been a blessing, you know, working with him. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of finish this off. This video was more just to kind of explain to you how to do this process. It's really simple. Though you don't want to create a lot of heat on plastics because then you'll burn right through the clear. So usually I'll stick to a DA and it gives me the results that I always want. So anyways, I hope you guys have a blessed day. Be safe, and I'll see you guys next time. 5 minutes.